Well, good morning, John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 12th of August 2025 and I'm on a mission. But it's not a mission to do with the church, because here I am at St James's Church, Weddington. No, I'm on a mission to have a look at the sewage pumping station, which I understand has been built between the Weddington Road and the Harts Hill Waterworks, over and beyond Caldecote. Now there's a footpath going over that way, so I'm going to go over there and investigate and have a look and see where it is. I hope it's not buried underground. There would be nothing to see, but I just don't know. So let's go and have a look. If you live in this area, you'll know where I'm going across these fields towards Caldecote Hall, in fact. And I'm going to park the bike up there and then walk along the footpath. But yeah, the crops have been taken in, look, whether it's wheat or barley. So hopefully the farmers have had favourable weather conditions. It's trying to rain this morning. Don't know why. It's supposed to be hot and sunny. It's certainly not sunny, but it's really quite mild, and I've only got my t-shirt on, look. So I'm okay. Right, let me get along here and past these farms onto the road, which is in at Caldecote, which is just down here, look. Right, let's see where we are. I think I can go around, don't know, this way I think. Let's have a look. There are one or two buildings here at Caldecote Hall, various farms. Caldecote Hall now is its separate accommodation. They're really nice as well, and they've been building some brand new houses along here also. So, but it's all public right away up to the church, at least I know. Strictly residents only, but I'm sure I can get to the church. You can see over the back here, new houses they've built. Oh, very posh gates. What's going on here? Right. Well, that's welcoming. I did do a video about this place. And look at this stable block here. Look at this. Yes, when I did a video about the River Anchor, because it just runs over the back there. But well, the gate's open and let me through, so let me get down here and park up and go for a walk. This is Caldecote Hall itself. Used to be a school once, and I think in the 50s I don't say it burnt down, but it had a fire. So, but we can certainly get into the car park of the church here. Right, that's my bike locked up against the railings. Shouldn't be any problem to anybody there. There's a big pond of water, and I'm fairly sure the path goes across here. Oh, somebody working. Oh great, I can ask him. Morning.
Morning.
Where's the path go across to?
Down, straight down here.
Down by those trees?
Yeah, follow the tree line and you'll see the gate at the end.
Yeah, lovely, thanks a lot.
Yeah, we've got to get a post in that corner, yeah, just by the flagpole.
Yeah.
We're going to put one in there.
I'm with you, down there, yeah.
Yeah, just follows the tree.
Yeah.
That's the old road to the manor house.
Oh right, okay.
It used to go to the A5.
Yeah.
But that's since been...
It changed, yeah.
But yeah, there's a gate at the bottom.
Yeah, I've just left my bike there as well. I'm doing another video, YouTube video.
Right.
About, yeah. In fact, I came and did one once about the River Anchor. Yeah, I was mooching about, and he came out and said hello and wondered what I was doing. Yeah. But it's quite interesting because I was, like I say, I was doing some videos about the River Anchor from its source near Wolvie, right the way through over to Tamworth.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
That's a good old walk, isn't it?
Well, I wasn't walking it. I was doing it in bits and videoing it and so on.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but it's lovely where it comes around here.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but I did another video. I live in Nuneaton, you see.
Right.
And I did a video about the new sewer line that they put across.
From Burbage.
Yeah.
It's gone from Burbage
over to Hartshill, yeah. In fact, the manager of the project, he took me out in his truck and took me up and down it.
Oh, that was good.
It's quite a extensive
big
look at
project.
it. Absolutely, millions, and millions spent at Hartshill as well to make the sewage works better.
Yeah.
So what I'm looking at, the one thing I never got to the bottom of, and this I'm doing today, is there's a sewage pump station down here somewhere.
Yeah, there is.
So I'm going to go down there. I've got my drone.
Right.
I'll have a look at that.
You can't get to it this way.
But if I go down this way,
no, you have to wade across the river.
Not to worry.
The pump station's this side of the river.
Yeah.
And you know when you go down the track, and then you go down the track that takes you
to
Curtin, down there.
Yeah.
Well, the pump station's on your right hand side.
Right.
You see it.
With this, the drone, I can have a look at anything.
Okay.
So I've been down here before.
Yeah.
So I'll just go down there. I'll fly the drone up and have a look.
Yeah, sure.
As soon as I've spotted it.
So if you're looking for the pump station, in line of sight, it's there.
Okay.
That way.
Right. Okay. Lovely.
Right.
But it's a lovely place.
Yeah,
I did have a look at the history of it. You know, when it was a school and the fire and all the rest of it.
Yeah.
And yeah, the gentleman over here, he took me in and showed me around. It was absolutely fascinating. Yeah.
Right, I better go and crack on.
You better crack on. Don't get cold. You'll get. Thanks a lot, sir. Ta. Thank you. Well, that was very helpful. Oh, there is a great big heron. Can you see him? Beautiful. Well, there's a big pond over here. Yeah, that was very useful. It's a beautiful place. It absolutely is a wonderful place. And yeah, and apparently he lives in one of the sections of Caldecote Hall. So I thought he was doing a good job out and about with his spade and axe and whatever else he was doing. Now then, I'm on a mission to find the sewage pumping works, and he says it's over there, so if I know this path goes this way, and you'll notice, of course, I've changed my gear. I've got my hat on, taken my high vis off, because I'm walking mode now. Here's the footpath, and I'm on it here from Caldecote Hall to this point, and it goes off to the left. So let's go along here. The one difficulty coming out in the summer like this, got my shorts on of course, but then you've got nettles. But that's one or two there, but I've avoided them. Right, the footpath goes along here and over there, but the pump station's over this way, he says, so I'll see where I can get to, and we'll set the drone over. Glad I asked that gentleman where the pump station was, because I thought it was going to be further along, closer to the sewage works, but in fact I think that's it over there. The thing to do, send the drone up, like I said, the river's in the way as well, and that's where it is. I might be able to see the line of the sewage works as well. It's been a while since I was here, over 18 months I think, but they did. Point updated. Thank you. They did finish it in good time, and yeah, let's go and have a look. As we look over the River Anchor below us, we can clearly see the route of the buried sewage pipeline, which goes all the way to Hartshill Waterworks. Here is the quite stunning Caldecote Hall, and don't forget, if you do come out this way, this is a private residence and there are footpaths. Look on the map and stick to the footpaths. Well, you know I'm fond of a tree, and this oak tree looks absolutely magnificent. Just look at the size of it. Gnarled and ancient, and the trunk at the bottom here gives some indication. It's got to be 120 years old. Absolutely wonderful. And there seems to be a lot of acorns on it. I'm led to believe that acorns have years. You know, some years there's a lot of them, and other years not so many. But I'm seeing a lot of acorns. There's another oak tree, a slightly younger one, that's full of acorns as well. Excellent. Well, it hasn't rained. I haven't got stung. I found the sewage pump station. Oh, and now I can finally see over there near the A5 is a look. There's a building, that's a very nice house that was built, which I think had a fire and has never been reclaimed. Slightly odd, but there you go. Right, well, the path goes both this way and this way, and this is the way I'm going. Well, that was quite successful. If you're wondering why I'm wearing this hat and not the cycling hat, to keep the sun off. my exposed top of my head. But there's a number of things you can do with a hat. You can stop and say hello to people, which is very nice. You can also wear it a bit more jauntily, a little bit Hollywood in the 20s, or even a bit a Rat Pack. Or you can have a bit of privacy, because when you sit back with it, you can put it on like that. And it's like you're in a room somewhere. If you believe any of that, you're mad.
John, mind those nettles.
Well, mission accomplished, I think there. Excellent, been a lovely morning out. Oh, there's a big butterfly, buddleia bush there. Attracts butterflies, you know. Anyway, yep, mission accomplished. Let's call it a day and head on back. I hope my bike's still there anyway, I'm sure it is. Thank you for watching. Hey, 2,000 followers at long last, which is great. I don't know why I'm over thrilled with that. I don't really care. I want some followers, of course, and I love people to comment. So if you've got any comments to make, and I love bumping into people locally. And I've said this before, you know, not everybody can get out, and so just to wander around the countryside in the places around where I live here in Nuneaton, I just like doing it, and if it gives somebody else pleasure who can't get out, so much the better. And plenty more to come. There's blackberries over there. Hey, you'll see me next time, okay? Bye bye. Woo!